Okay, let's unpack this. We're going to be looking at the Datavideo VP-901 distribution amplifier.
Yep, it's a key piece of hardware.
Our mission today is really to figure out how this little box, this DA, becomes such a crucial backbone for high-end video distribution.
That's a great way to put it. At its core, the VP-901 is a 4K compatible distribution amplifier.
So it solves a really fundamental problem.
It does. I mean, think about it. You have one critical source, like your main camera feed, but you need to send that everywhere at once.
Right, to the switcher, the backup recorders, the monitors for the director.
Exactly. All 8 different destinations. This device is, well, it's the heart that cleanly pumps that single video stream to all of them.
And it does this using the industry standard, SDI. Can we just briefly touch on why SDI and not something like HDMI?
Reliability and distance. It's that simple.
HDMI just falls apart too quickly.
Oh, yeah. An HDMI signal gets weak fast. SDI, with those rugged BNC connectors, is built for long, professional cable runs without failing. And the VP-901 handles everything from old SD formats right up to 12G.
Okay, so let's talk about that, the 12G standard, because that's where things get really interesting.
That's what unlocks true high frame rate 4K.
So we're talking 3840 by 2160p real, 4K UHD at up to 60 frames per second. That's non-negotiable for something like live sports.
It is, and the amount of data we're talking about is, well, it's fascinating. You are pushing a continuous video bandwidth of 11.88 gigabits per second.
11.88. Wow.
To put that in context for you, that's like transmitting the data of almost 3 full Blu-ray discs every single minute. Continuously, it's a massive pipeline.
And that pipeline has to be perfectly stable, especially if you're running a long cable across a stadium or something.
Absolutely. If that signal degrades, your entire workflow just stops.
So how does this box, the VP-901, make sure that signal integrity holds up?
This is its technical lifeline, equalization and reclocking.
Okay.
Think of the signal coming down a long cable like a runner who's getting tired. Their form starts to break down.
Right, they're slowing down, getting sloppy.
Exactly. When that tired signal hits the VP-901, it first performs equalization, which cleans up all the electrical noise. Then it reclocks it.
So it's like a complete refresh.
It's like handing that tired runner a fresh baton. The signal is regenerated, perfectly stable, and clean. It basically extends your reliable transmission range by a huge amount.
That's a great analogy. It makes total sense. So the tech is there.
Yeah.
What about the logistics? How durable is this thing if you toss it in a field kit?
Durability is key. This thing is built rugged, but here's the kicker. Look at the size. It's incredibly compact.
How compact are we talking?
It's just 167 by 50 by 24 millimeters, and the weight is only 0.31 kilograms.
That's lighter than a can of soda.
Yeah.
To pack that kind of 12G splitting power into something that small is genuinely stunning.
It makes it perfect for mobile racks.
And I also appreciate how user-friendly it is. It's driver-free, plug and play. No IT headaches when you're on location.
Right. And the little LED indicators show you the format it's receiving. That saves you serious time when you're on a tight schedule.
Which is always.
Always. And to bring it back to the commercial side, this lists for about $469. It sits right in that sweet spot for professional gear that's still accessible. It's also TAA compliant.
So what this all boils down to is the VP-901 is this perfect example of robust engineering solving a huge production headache.
Reliable, high-speed 4K distribution from one source. It lets you trust your signal.
Okay, so let's end with a final thought for you to mull over. If a single lightweight device, this thing that weighs only 0.31 kilograms, can manage and regenerate 11.88 gigabits of data 8 ways
Today,
what does that imply about the density and the sheer complexity that future standards, like 8K, will demand from hardware like this?
I mean, we've gone from huge processing racks to something that fits in your hand in less than a decade.
That shift in density is a fascinating trend to watch, isn't it?